This is as tradition.
As tradition, just shove it in your mouth and bite it off. Bones will come out too. You just gotta.
I mean, if you see our previous videos, we've done it. So.
Can I see you guys spin it first?
No, we don't have data right now.
Hey guys, we're out here ice fishing. Ryan and Steve. We're on Weaver Lake in West Harrison. It's actually about what? How many inches of ice? 5, roughly?
5 inches.
5-6 inches of ice right now. We just started fishing. Steve got the first fish. Nice rainbow trout there. And yeah, so that set the mood for the day, and let's hope we get some more. Look how it is. Oh! That's a nice one. Sick. "17 feet. Look at that. Yeah. So I just like suddenly didn't see my rod anymore. I was like, wait a minute, my rod is there. That's deeper.
It was getting apparent after 5 hours of fishing that we couldn't pinpoint where the trout were on the lake.
Maybe.
It was up to random chance where we'd get them. Steve got one after 2 minutes of fishing. Tobias followed up a couple hours later, and I managed to follow up with the small rainbow that I released. When you put your rod down, be prepared for what happens next, because I wasn't. When it eventually came time to pack up, Tobias had the gall to convince this poor man to bite the head off of a rainbow trout. It was then I knew that Tobias was the kind of guy to peer pressure kids to smoke in high school. At least he followed up. No, we don't have data right now.
Want me to show you how to do it?
I feel like this is not true.
Want me to show you how to do it? If I do it, you do it?
Sure.
Okay. You ready? You gotta do it. Yo. Well, just cutting up the fish here. I wish we had a sharp knife, not a dull little knife.
Hey, that knife has been through some battles.
But yeah, day was pretty okay. We started off a little bit depressed because the lake we initially wanted to go to, Elbow Lake, was not frozen. Well, was frozen a little bit, but you could chuck a piece of snow in there and it was, look at that color. It was gonna go right through, so it wasn't frozen at all. And then we checked out Grace Lake and there was actually some guys fishing on there. Checked how they were doing and not too bad. They got like, was it 3 fish between 6 of them. And then we decided to just rip up here to Weaver Lake and started fishing. It was nice and the ice was 3-4 inches deep, so pretty good. Steve over here, first time ice fishing, and caught a fish within, what was that, like 2 minutes or something? First drop? Not even 2 minutes, probably. Yeah. And then it was actually this guy right here. And that was kind of slow, and I don't know, Ryan I think caught the next one. tiny little bugger. Not Ryan, the fish. And then
Okay.
and I was next with this beautiful chunky fish here, biggest of the day, you know, obviously. And after that, we got one more fish, and it's just nice being out on the water, on the ice. We actually fish this lake sometimes in the summer, so it's a little bit of a, I don't know, eerie feeling when you step on it and you realize that it's all frozen up, and the spots that you hit up in the summer don't work in the winter. I think that's what I meant initially, but my ESL moment took over. Lemon juice for the trout. Couple incisions in the trout so we can spice it. There we go. There we go. And the other side. I think
you only had one good incision.
two. This
Two.
one. This one. This one had two. Now we put the fish in the frying pan. And Steve does his magic. I'm a little bit, yeah. Goodness, this is so good. It's so soft too. You just taste the
Impressions?
freshness that it's very good. All the like work that went into this.
There was a lot of momentum, boys.
Yeah. You gotta come closer.
Okay. You see that, folks? That's called a rope swing. You swing from a rope into water, but it's not water, it's ice. This man is about to challenge.
Whoa.
It's fine. Let's get the out of here. What the